Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, you can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long.
I put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heartbeat. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been skipping, that's how I can drop this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on hitting it. Ooh, oh. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. I'm cool when now you waiting, but I act a fool when I don't get it. And I'm steady bruising just to save this, but I tricked on your love, now I'm addicted. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been skipping, that's how. my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to do what making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been skipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, you keep complaining it. Ooh, oh. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you, tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you, tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you, tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you, tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you, tripping on you. Cool when now you waiting, but I act a fool when.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back. I forgot to get the battery, extra battery, but this is my face. I was gonna remove my hair, but I didn't have time, and they still look pretty nice. It's been a week since I did the retwist, but I think they still look pretty good for a week. I guess I might just remove them next week, because I was gonna remove them this week, but they still look fine and I didn't have time to remove them, so this is how it's gonna stay. What you guys think? But yeah, I didn't show you guys the whole outfit because I was in a rush, but it's just a blouse, a white blouse. I have a little black tank top underneath, just so, because it's a little too tight up here because of my bust area. So then I have like this, what is it called, navy dress pants, and then I have some white shoes, white low heels, and then I have my, what is it called, Chyna, whatever, white purse, and yeah, and that's the outfit. If I have time, I'll show you guys the whole thing. Anyways, y'all, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Camera, and destiny with Charlie.